So, hello dear students. So we shall continue solving the problems. So we have solved 7 problems plus 8th problem is 4.1, ninth problem is 4.2, and this will be the 10th problem, problem number 10. Call it as problem number 10. So this problem is very simple, and such problems will be asked in NEET or CET. Very simple NEET or CET, NEET or CET. So these are very simple problem. So in the 2020 NEET, so such problem was asked. So this problem is related to solenoid. Read the problem. A solenoid of length 0.5 meter. The length of the solenoid is 0.5 meter. So you know this is the solenoid. So what is the length of the solenoid? So the length is 0.5 meter. So and the radius of 1 centimeter. So this radius is the radius of the solenoid is r, that is 1 centimeter. Radius is 1 centimeter. It is made up of 100 turns, 500 turns. Sorry. So number of turns is 500. So I know the number of turns is 500 turns. It carries a current of 5 ampere. The current carried is 5 ampere. So there is 5 ampere current flow ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field inside the solenoid? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ solenoid ಒಳಗಡೆ on the axis magnetic field ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? That is the simple question. So what is problem number 10? Problem number 10. So call it problem number 10. So first we shall write the given things. ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೋಣ. So given, so very simple problem ನೋಡೋಣ. So the length of the solenoid, yes, given the length of the solenoid, so I'll call it a small l. The length of the solenoid, it is 0.5 meter. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0.5 meter. And the radius of the solenoid r is equal to 1 centimeter. ಅಂದರೆ that will be 10 power of minus 2 meter. Yes, meter ಬರೋಣ. And it is made up of n 500 turns. ಅಂದರೆ number of turns capital N is 500. It carries a current of 5 ampere. So current is I is equal to 5 ampere. So one question is, what is the magnetic field at the center of the solenoid? Magnetic field is 2. So you know the expression for magnetic field of a solenoid. Magnetic field of a solenoid. So magnetic field at the inside of solenoid is equal to mu naught Ni. So you know mu naught, you know I, but what is N? N is number of turns per unit length. Number of turns per unit length. Turns per unit length. Capital L ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ, capital N is total number of turns, ಎಷ್ಟು 500. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ n that stands for number of turns per unit length. ಅಂದರೆ total number of turns divided by the length of the solenoid. Total number of turns divided by the length of the solenoid. So that is we should calculate. ಹೌದಾನೆ? So solution. So first I will erase these things. ಅಂದರೆ we should first calculate small n, ಅಂದರೆ number of turns per solenoid. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಿದೆ. So solution, we know that B is equal to mu naught n into I. Mu naught n into I. But n ಅಂದರೆ number of turns per unit length. Number of turns, separate ಬರೀತೀನಿ, number of turns per unit length. Per unit length, that we should calculate number of turns per unit length. But number of turns per unit length, n is equal to, n formula, total number of turns divided by total length. That will be equal, total number of turns ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 500 ಇದೆ. So what is the total length of the solenoid? So total length of the solenoid, so make it as capital L ಅಥವಾ small l. capital L ಮಾಡೋಣ, make it as capital L. ನೋಡಿ ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? capital L ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, small l ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So the length of the solenoid, so we have taken it as capital L or small l. That you should know the length of the solenoid. So that is capital L ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, small l ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, you should decide. So let L be the length. So capital L, the total length of the solenoid. So we have taken it as capital L. So make it as capital L. capital L ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ. ಸೊ capital L. So that is capital L is 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter. So that will be equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So if you divide 500 by 0.5, so take the calculator. So divide 500 by 0.5, it will be 1000, correct? 1000 turns per length. 1000 turns per length. This is small n. Therefore B will be equal to mu naught. What is the value of mu naught? What is the value of mu naught? Outane. So the length is 0.5 meter, radius is r, therefore L by A. So therefore hence we can use the long formula, like we can use this formula. ಯಾವ formula? Which formula it is? Mu naught ni ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, what is the radius of the solenoid? It is 10 power of minus 2. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೊಲೆನಾಯ್ಡ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ಐ, ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೊಲೆನಾಯ್ಡ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಅದೊಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೊಲೆನಾಯ್ಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೊಲೆನಾಯ್ಡ್? ಎ ಸೊಲೆನಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೊಲೆನಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್, if it is very very large as compared to its area of cross section. As area of cross section ಅಂದರೆ L is very very large. therefore ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಬರೀ 10 power of minus 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಥವಾ 10 power of minus 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಅರ್ಧ ಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಂತ್, ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಲೆನಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್. ಆರ್ದೇನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ವೈಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಸೊ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ is a long solenoid, so we can use the direct formula. B is equal to mu naught. Mu naught ಅಂದರೆ 4 pi into 10 power of minus 7 into n ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 1000, ಅಂದರೆ 10 power of 3 ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ಅದು 1000 ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 1000 into I is, what is the current flowing? 5 ampere. 5 ampere. So take the calculator, so multiply, so take the calculator, so that is 4 into 5 is 3.14 into 5 into 5, so that will be equal to 62.8. it was the 62.8 into 10 power of, ನೋಡಿ 1000 ಅಂದರೆ 10 power of plus 3 minus 7 plus 3, it will be minus 4. B will be equal to 62.8 and 10 power of minus 4 Tesla. ಅಥವಾ you can write B will be equal to 6.28 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll make it as 6.28 into 10 power of ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 62.8 6.2, then the value has decreased, its value should increase, and it would be minus 3 Tesla. Minus 3 Tesla. So this is the magnetic field at the center of the solenoid. ನೋಡಿ minus 3 ಅಂದರೆ it is a pretty good or pretty large magnetic field, minus 3 ಅಂದರೆ. So therefore solenoid produces strong magnetic field inside it. So therefore the magnetic field inside a solenoid is 6.28 into 10 power of minus 3 Tesla. So one thing you should know the formula, other thing you should know this, how to calculate the turns per unit length. Again you should decide it is a very long solenoid because radius is very very less as compared to its length. So this is the solution for problem number 10. Problem number 10. Then we shall go for problem number 11.